Unplug the machine from the outlet. Pull out the paper tray. Remove the paper support. Slowly pull out any jammed paper. On the rear of the machine, open the jam clear cover and remove any paper found. Close the jam clear cover. Reinsert the paper support. Push the paper tray completely into the machine. Now plug the machine back in.
For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.